If you received your green card through marriage, but later divorce, there could be changes to your immigration process, but only in specific circumstances. U.S. citizens have the privilege of petitioning for the green card of their spouse, but if the couple have been together for less than 3 years, then the immigrant spouse will receive a temporary or conditional green card, not a permanent one. A permanent green card is valid for 10 years, but a conditional or temporary green card is valid for only 2 years. So what happens at the end of those 2 years? Well, the process is pretty much the same as the way in which you received your green card, proving that your marriage is valid and continues to be valid to this day through a petition to remove the conditions on your residency. However, divorce does not necessarily mean that they're going to take your green card from you. If you are separated or divorced before you apply to remove the conditions from your residency, then you can still get your permanent green card through proving one of two things. The first is to prove that the marriage was valid to begin with and that you divorced not based on immigration reasons. The second is to prove that your U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident spouse abused you or subjected you to extreme mental cruelty. By arguing that your marriage was in good faith to begin with, you're simply saying to immigration that yes, you two are no longer together, but that is not because your marriage was fraudulent. You want to emphasize that you two shared every part of your life and that the divorce was completely separate from any immigration benefit. By arguing that you were subjected to abuse or extreme mental cruelty, you're simply stating that you and your spouse are no longer together because of their own actions. You will need to provide proof, such as police reports, sworn declarations of friends and family, and potentially a mental health evaluation. In either case, it is still possible to receive your permanent green card despite your marriage being over. If you have questions about your eligibility to remove the conditions from your residency, schedule a consult with one of the experienced immigration attorneys at Dummett Fraden today.